Hello, I'm Rob Domain at igus UK. I'm the director here for the Dry Tech product group, and I just wanted to show you our Dryling W Exchange sample box. So here we have the box, and inside, as I mentioned, we have the instruction book that shows really nice and clear instructions on how to change the liner using the tools provided. As I mentioned, nicely laid out there so you can see what you get. So a quick demonstration. We have, imagine this bearing on your machine and you can't take it off the rail. We simply use the tool here, the screwdriver, to slot out the backing plate. Very simply pull that out, and then we take the other tool and push the liner out from inside the bearing itself. That makes it really simple to get that liner out. Unclip the liner, take a new liner, pop that onto the rail there, clip it on into place, and then you can slide that back into the carriage using the tool to slide it into place, and then simply fit the backing plate, and away we go. Back on and up and running in under 30 seconds. If you would like one of these, let us know and we'll get one out to you so you can have a play around with it.